You know that feeling when you're so excited for a package to arrive that you wait by your front door all day long? Well, that's been me today, and it finally arrived, so let's do an unboxing. This is the box that I have been waiting for all day. I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am about this. Let's dive in. I feel like angels are gonna start singing when I open this. The reason I was waiting by my front door for this all day is this bundle contains items that are amazing for content creation. It looks like we have a whole variety of creator tools in here, so let's go through them one by one to see what we've got. I've been told that I'm one of the first people in North America to have my hands on this, so I am so excited about what we've got. Like, I can't even begin to tell you how thrilled I am. We've got this adorable note that says, "You've got something special made for creators like you. Whether you're vlogging, capturing cinematic shots, or creating just for fun, this kit has everything you need to bring your vision to life." And then it lists everything that it's got in here. So the very first thing that obviously caught my eye is this camera. It is beautiful. Let's take a look at this. Okay, and good to know, underneath everything that's shown in this box, there's more stuff. So let's go through everything and then let's talk some more about them. So first, we've got this camera. This is the Canon PowerShot V1. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to talk about this. Then underneath the camera, we've got the QX20 pocket printer. I love the look of this, and I love printing photos from home, so I cannot wait to use these two in tandem. And along with this printer, of course, they also packed the printer paper and ink so that I'm able to get those prints right away. Then we have, what is this? We've got a card, which when I open it, it says Canon Frame Lab, custom framing made simple. Visit Canon Frame Lab and use this code to claim your framed print. How exciting is that? It looks like I get a framed print with this box as well. And then look at this adorable tripod. This is so cute. I'm gonna hook this up with this camera, and this is gonna be so handy. I love having a tripod when I'm vlogging. It just makes life so much easier. So you can use it as a handle for your camera while you're vlogging, but it also opens up, and it looks like I can also use it as a little tripod to set my camera up on. This little piece is called the Tripod Grip HG100 TBR. And then underneath that, there's so much more. So it looks like I've got a little fluffy piece dead cat to put on my camera for noise, a connection piece, a wrist strap. Okay, and I know I mentioned earlier I would talk a bit more about this camera, and I just want to call out some of the things that I am most excited about. If you are interested in videography or video in general, or even just content creation, this is the camera for you. This has so many features that I am pumped about, such as the cooling fan so that you're able to record video for a long amount of time without it getting overheated. The screen here flips out so that I'm able to see myself while I'm recording. It's got a wide lens that still goes to a really low aperture, so you're able to get beautiful looking shots. The autofocus is something that I'm really excited about on this camera. It's gonna be able to track my eye movement so that if I'm moving around, it'll know where to lock the focus, but I can also set it so that if I'm showing products to the camera, it can also detect that and click onto the object so I don't have to awkwardly hold it up and try to get focus. I could spend a long time talking about everything this camera has to offer, but while I'm here, let's hook it up, try it out really quick, and print a photo. And that's a wrap on my unboxing for the Canon PowerShot V1 Creator Bundle. But I've got a print to cash in, so I'm gonna run.